Welcome back to the YouTube. Welcome back to the YouTube. Hey D.Chanel, what it do? Hey D.Chanel, what it do?
Food.
And we back with another banger. You know what it is, man. The D.Chanelquann show, man. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? We got something special for them today, though.
Yep. What is it? Black bean and sweet potato quesadillas.
No, we say that because y'all have black bean. Black bean, you heard what she said, though, man.
Yeah, she did.
So we finna get right into it. So what's the first step, gang?
Go ahead and preheat your oven to 375.
Yeah.
Once that preheats, you're gonna stick in your sweet potatoes on a parchment sheet lined pan.
Okay.
And bake it for 45 minutes to an hour or until they're soft.
Well, let go. Four, five to an hour.
See, why don't you do this? Why don't you do this?
Hold it. Yeah, hold it. You almost had it. Ray, get your ass off.
I didn't know that. How you know? You did it?
No, it's common sense. All of
Oh, I never know something.
She done hit a yawn.
I've been yawning all day. What you step back for? You don't want to catch you?
Nah, because I know your ass finna. Oh, I'm tired. You sure you want to do those next one?
Alright, you guys. So it's been 45 minutes and the sweet potatoes are nice and soft.
That's the train of thought. I get to touching you just don't know how that guy. So now we can move on to the next step. Know what I'm saying? We got that thing all off. Now make sure it's soft, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we already checked it. That thing's soft and everything. So now we finna
gotta mash it.
Mash that thing on up. There you go.
Alright, guys. So the potato is mashed up. So next you're gonna add in your cooked rice, your salsa, and your spinach.
Like get it, y'all.
Good and mixed.
You said good.
Got good and mixed. All right. Once you got this all mixed up, you're gonna go ahead and heat your pan on medium heat and then add in your mixture.
Y'all.
Along with your refried beans, your black beans, and your seasonings.
Y'all. Fresh.
Is it heat?
Yeah, that pressure right there, you.
Should be heat.
Yeah, that pressure right there. good, you hear me? I like it like that. You got food all on me, gang.
My bad. So next you're gonna heat up another skillet for your tortillas. Place your tortilla in the skillet. So this is the finished result. We made one folded and then we made just a regular circle.
So we made it like how we made it restaurant style and we made it Taco Bell style. So to your preference, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, we finna get this thing plated up so we can tate it up. You hear me? You hear me? Let go. Now we can taste it. What you think?
Looks delicious.
You know we make that pressure, man. We make that pressure, man. This is the great our dish right here. Our dish right here.
Our dish right here.
But anyways, y'all, we want to say thank y'all. We appreciate y'all. And this is the D.Chanel show. But before we go, y'all know what the slang is, the motto is. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and jump down that comment section, yeah, hit me, and we out. Peace. You know we make that pressure, gang. Stop playing.
Dip it.
For the extra sauce lovers. Make you wanna do wrong. This ain't perfect. Oh.